Brennan and all three were brought to state police here in Bridgeport after they were arrested, but they have been transferred to different facilities. And earlier in a news conference, state police said they want to be as transparent as possible, but they still do have to obey that gag order.
On January 7th, 2020, Western District, in conjunction with Central District Major Crime Detectives, were able to get enough evidence to effect the arrests of three following individuals.
Fotis Dulos arrested at his Jefferson Crossing home in the morning, charged with murder, felony murder, and kidnapping. Fotis' girlfriend, Michelle Troconis, also arrested and charged with conspiracy to commit murder. And then Fotis' civil attorney and close friend, Kenr Mawhinney, arrested and also charged with conspiracy. Fox 61 capturing all three of them being escorted by police into their cruisers. Mawhinney's head turned away from our camera. Troconis was brought to the York Correctional Facility in Niantic, and Dulos Mawhinney was transported to McDougall Walker Correctional in Suffield, where they will be spending the night before their arraignment on Wednesday. Dulos' attorney Norm Pattis addressing the cameras multiple times Tuesday, saying his client is innocent.
They come as a relief because after months of listening to innuendo, suggestion, and rumor, we now have something to shoot at, and we intend to begin firing those shots at Mr. Dulos' bond hearing tomorrow morning. The state of Connecticut's picked this fight. The state of Connecticut sought a gag order. The state of Connecticut has thrice now driven a dagger into the presumption of innocence and into the heart of Mr. Dulos.
When asked if these charges is enough to convince Pattis Jennifer is dead, Pattis said,
"I don't know whether she's dead or alive. There's circumstantial evidence that she may well be dead. I've got to see the quantity of that."
Pattis' only concern now is Mawhinney being off limits now because he was a prime witness in this case. But overall, Pattis expressed confidence in winning and shame for the state.
If this is all the state's got, we wonder why it bothered.
And all three are expected to be arraigned tomorrow in Stamford, where Pattis believes Dulos will make his $6 million bond. As for Mawhinney and Troconis, their bond is set at each $2 million. I'm live in Bridgeport. Carmen Chow, Fox 61 News.